Hello and welcome, dear students. This is the framework for significant guidelines in context of the CBSC certificate examinations, and it is specifically for the internal assessments. These guidelines have been issued for the teachers who will be the examination officer in school for your internal assessments. This document contains three areas of focus. One is that standard operating procedures for the conduct of practical examinations and project, internal assessments, and uploading of graded marks. For this students' interest, internal assessments will be the area of focus that will be discussed over here, and the uploading of marks, the deadlines which is given to different schools. For us, a different school name deadline has been given, and accordingly, the teachers have planned out a different deadline, an internal deadline, so that they get enough time to evaluate and complete the internal procedures. This is for the knowledge of the students so that it is not taken lightly and the students submit their assessments, projects, and appear for the examination on time. It should not be taken for granted that these examinations will be taken later on as per the whim and fancy of the students. Then there are subject marks distributions for theory and practicals, internal assessment. This will be a run through. I will not be focusing on it. And then anomalies in question paper. This is for official use only. In case of there are errors, the students should report it to the authorities. Let us begin with the procedure for the conduct of the internal assessments. Standards operating procedures for conduct of practical examinations, conducting internal assessments, uploading of grades and marks. This is the area of focus that we are going to begin. Um, from the following activities are performed by the schools, that is practical examinations. Your practical examinations will be done in the school, and the project and internal assessments for the grades will be done in the school. Uploading of the internal assessments, it will be done. First of all, your teachers will grade you and mark you, and then your section head will approve it, and then the principal will approve, sign, seal, and then it will be uploaded. So there's quite a procedure, internal procedure. So students are requested to follow the dates assigned for each subject and follow it and prepare for the examination. Uploading of internal assessments for grade 10, the procedures and the deadlines have been given, and internally students have been assigned. For English, the students have been assigned 23rd of November for their internal assessments for enrichment. And the deadline for submission of the notebook has already been shared with the students. The students are expected to share on Flipgrid. Then current and timely assessment of practical project and internal assessments component in class grade 10 and 12 is a paramount importance of declaration of result. It has been observed that some schools are committing serious mistakes and request to the board to change the result after its declaration. So, schools are being therefore directed to follow the instructions as given here under, as no request will be accepted by the CBSE to change the upload the marks in any manner. So students who delay their submission of projects or journals or do not appear for internal assessments, and they expect that they should be given marks by the school and the school should forward it to the CBSE. CBSE has made it very clear that CBSE will not accept such marks given after the deadline. Subjects having practical projects and internal assessments components for grade 10 and 12. Let us go through it. The CBSE has prescribed subject-wise curriculum, and most of the subjects contain 2 or 3 assessment components: theory and practical, project, or internal assessments. For English, internal assessments is a focus. The curriculum also contains breakup of the minimum marks for theory, question paper, and practical projects, internal assessments. The school may kindly take note of the following. It is for the use of the teachers, but it is being shared with the students with the focus and expectation that the students will follow the guidelines. List of the subjects along with the break of marks in theory, the practical project internal assessments, and duration of examination is enclosed herewith. The list contains the following details: list of subjects along with the breakup of theory and practical project internal assessment marks. It will be shown to you. Subject-wise, minimum marks for theory question paper and minimum marks required for pass in the theory and component, it is 33% for internal assessment and 33% for your formal examination. Subject-wise minimum marks for practical project internal assessment component and minimum marks required to pass in the set component, and it is essential that the students pass in the internal assessment separately and in your written examination separately. The internal assessments should not be taken for granted that the students will be awarded marks even if notebooks are not shown. No, it is very clearly stated that the notebooks should be submitted by the students and marks should be awarded, and the students should appear for the internal assessments and then marks should be awarded. The evidences should be maintained by the school. Let us go through the second point, that is as per the pass criteria for grade 12 for subjects involving practical project work. In order to pass the examination, students have to obtain at least 33% and in theory 33% marks in practical project internal assessments in addition to 33 marks in aggregate in each subject. Now let us focus on grade 10. This is our focus area. As per pass criteria of grade 10, students have to obtain overall 33% in each subject, both theory and practical internal assessment taken together in order to pass the examination. That means you have to pass in your theory, practical assessment. Practical project internal assessment will be done by the school. For subjects having practical or project component, the same shall be examined by an external examiner. The external examiner will be appointed by the board. However, the subject NCC, the practical examination at grade 12, will be conducted by the examiner appointed by the Directorate of NCC. In case of grade 10, as there is internal assessment, no external examiner will be appointed by the CBSE Directorate of NCC. For subjects having internal assessment components, the same shall be examined internally by the schools. Schools may accordingly upload the marks on website after practical project or internal assessment components for classes 10 and 12 as applicable after uploading of marks. No request from the school will be accepted by the CBSE that wrong marks have been uploaded and thus the same may be corrected. Marks once uploaded will be treated as final for preparing the board results. No marks in practical or internal assessment etc. will be changed after declaration of results. How to conduct the practical examinations, project and internal assessment. This is the area of focus that is to be known by the students. The practical examination and project internal assessments are conducted in the respective school every year. The theory examinations of minor subjects including skill subjects may commence from 15th February 2021. Hence, to ensure that practical examinations are conducted before examination in letter and in spirit, the following information is provided to the schools for strict compliance. Schools will conduct practical examinations and project assessments from 1st January 2021 to 8th February 2021. Dates are portable, exact dates to be informed separately. That means this is for project and practical examinations only. Internal assessments can be held as per the school decision. Marks will be uploaded on the link provided immediately after the assessment is over. While uploading marks, the school will ensure that correct marks are uploaded and no correction is in the marks will be allowed once marks are uploaded. Schools should also keep in mind maximum marks allotted for practicals project while awarding uploading marks. The practical examinations and project assessments will be done in their respective schools. There will be an external examiner as well as an internal examiner. As per the past practice, schools will ensure that the practicals are conducted by the external examiners appointed by the CBSE only. An observer will also be appointed by the CBSE who will supervise conduct of the practical examinations and the project assessments. An app link will be provided to the school for uploading group photograph of each batch. This is a very important area. Please make a note of it. The app link will be provided to the schools for uploading group photograph of each batch during the practical examination. Group photo should consist of all the candidates of the batch, external examiner, internal examiner, and observer. All faces should be clearly visible in the photograph. The photograph should be taken in the laboratory where practical exams are being held, and laboratory should also be seen clearly in the photograph. Some other information such as the batch number, total batch, date and time, etc. will also be required to be uploaded on link. The software will ensure that photograph uploaded in geotagged and time tagged. The practical project marks will also be uploaded on the link provided by the board immediately after completion of the work and on the same date. The marks of the internal assessment for grade 12 should also be uploaded simultaneously, that is with effect from 1st of January 2021 to 8th of February 2021. For this, the students have been given an internal date which is 23rd of November, so that there's ample time for the authorities to evaluate the internal assessment, prepare the result, get it approved, and then it is uploaded by 1st of January. No extension in any activity shall be granted, including the last date for uploading data and photograph, etc., which is 8th of February 2021. Practical project internal assessment marks in respect of candidates appearing for improvement performance under one category is regular candidate through school will be carried over from 2020 examination. This is for those who intend to improve their grades. The marks of internal assessment for grade 10 should be uploaded with effect from 1st of January 2020 to 8th of February 2021. This is all that was to be shared with the students, and the remaining part is for the students to just view the distribution of marks for theory, practical, and internal assessments as per the subject codes for grade 10 and grade 12. As per the criteria of grade 10, students have to obtain overall 33% each in each subject, both theory and practical internal assessments taken together in order to pass the examination. Subject wise breakup for grade 10 students: English literature and language, it is for 80 marks. Exam duration is 3 hours. There are no practicals, no projects, only internal assessments of speaking, listening, notebook, and the periodic assessment marks weightage to be added. That is 20 marks weightage from the school, and students will be writing 80 marks paper, and overall it will be 100%, and minimum marks for passing is 33%, 33 marks. This is for grade 12. Anomalies in question paper means errors in question papers. In case if it creeps in, the students are expected to report it to the school authorities so that the school can take necessary action. This is especially completely meant for the school authorities, not for the students.